And last week we have started talking about the checks and avoiding checks and all. Well, අපි ගිය සතියේ check and checkmate එක ගැන check and avoiding check ගැන චුට්ටක් කතා කරන්න පටන් ගත්තා. අපිට අද තියෙන්නේ ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් complete කරලා one second, I'm still making the screen. This is it. Now we did actually I have skipped some activities on this attacking and defense, but I straight away want to go to the checks. There are many activities, we can do them later. This is it, right? Just roughly I have shown you what is a check from this diagram. Make a man nikam penwa මොකද්ද මේ check එකක් කියන්නේ කියලා, right? I will unmute you for a while. And you all know now what is a check. Then අපි දන්නවා check එකක් කියන්නේ මොකද්ද කියලා. If one of the opponent's piece is in a movement of your piece, කවුරු හරි ඔයාගේ පාරේ ඉන්නවා නම් opponent ගේ එක්ක අපි යට කියනවා attack වෙලා කියලා. But in this case, when it comes to check, right? When it comes to check, the opponent king is in your movement, right? Yes, Sudha? Yes, if you have anything to ask.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Am I breaking?
Right.
Asmita?
Sir?
Sir, clearly.
Yes, sir, you are
Sometimes
broke.
you can't. Oh, okay. Well, I'll keep the camera off. Let's see right now. When I keep the camera off, sometimes it become good. Let's see. Can you all hear me right now?
Yes, now okay, sir.
Yes, sir. I can hear you. Maybe you have any signal problem, right?
No, there's a signal problem. I think when I put off the camera, the voice is clear. Sometimes when I put the camera on, the voice actually gets right. Now, if one of your piece comes somewhere and it tries to capture the opponent's king, it's only trying, right? කවුරු හරි opponent king හද කපන්න හදනවා නම් අපි මේකට කියනවා check එකක් කියලා. This under a threat, actually this is just a threat. They're not going to capture this, but you are giving a threat. Make it up again. Yes.
But if rook comes to f1, that bishop's going to cut rook.
Yeah, of course. If it comes to e1, it will get captured. Let's see about that. Now, what I'm still clarifying is just what is check. මම ඉස්සෙල්ලාම කියන්නේ මොකද්ද check එක කියන්නේ කියලා. ඊට පස්සේ අපි කොහොමද බලමු මේක බේරගන්නේ. Number one, if someone attacks the king, it is a check, right? It is a check if someone attacks the king. But it's just a threat. You cannot really cut the king. Now, for example, once the king is in a check, if the king is in a check, can this, without stopping the check, is black allowed to play something else? Can you play this knight away to here without stopping the check? We can't, right?
We can't.
No, let's talk about how to stop this later, right? Don't, let's talk about what are the ways to defend.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, to me.
Why can't we cut the king?
You can't, that's actually a rule of chess, right? You can't capture the king. That's because of a rule, right? We know when the chess has invented in the ancient time, even when it becomes in the history, there's a rule that you cannot capture the king. How to finish the game? It's only to surround the king, right? If you want to finish the game, if you want to win the chess game, you have to surround it. You can't capture it. We say we invade the opponent's king. අපි කියන්නේ checkmate කරනවා කියලා. අපි අද ඒකත් බලමු. හරි? Right. What I'm actually explaining right now is when the king is in a check, හොඳට අහගන්න මේක. king ව check වෙලා ඉද්දී එයාව බේරගන්නේ නැතුව වෙනත් දෙයක් කරන්න බෑ. හරිද? Now for example, මට කවුරුහරි කිව්වත් ඇහුණා, it is good that you know what are the ways to defend. මෙයාව බේරගන්න ඕනේ නම් one thing you can capture this. මේකට කියනවා අපි
The other way the king can move.
Open close.
wait a second.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, what in? One second. Now one Nangi is going to tell something. Yes, who is it?
We can cut to
Yes, yes, of course. Yeah. Okay. Wait a second. No, I will actually show this to you first. මම මුලින්ම එක පෙන්ලා ඉන්නම් ඊට පස්සේ අනික් අයට කියමු. මොකද නැත්තම් වෙන්නේ අර දන්නේ නැති ළමයින්ට කරන්න බැරිනවා, right? If I didn't show this to you first, if you keep, if you try to say answers, the others will get mixed up, especially the younger ones, right? Let's say you are in a check, right? Without stopping this, you are not allowed to move anything else, right? So by this time and in this position, you can just capture the rook with the bishop and stop the check. That is one option. Cut. Kapima karanna pula. One way that you can capture the attacker or capture the piece which is giving the check. So it easily stops the check. That is number one. The second method, then you can actually cover. You can cover it with the knight, or you can also cover it with the bishop. So that is second option, covering. You can cover the movement of check, right? You can cover the movement of check. If the check comes this way, then you cover it, right? You cover it. Now the check also stops. Cover. That is the second option, right? The third option is you can also use bishop to cover. See, you can also cover with the bishop. You can also cover with the bishop. Metan bishop can cover karannat puluwan. And the other option is you can move to somewhere. See, you can move away to a safe square, right? You can move away to a safe square. අපිට පුළුවන් ආරක්ෂාව තියෙන තැනකට අයින් වෙලා යන්න. King can move somewhere that close to it, right? King can actually move somewhere which is close to the king. We can just move away and save himself. So there are three methods, right? There are three methods. Wait a second. I'm getting some questions. I will just read them quickly. Yeah, all the these questions are about defending. Yeah, that's suggestions. These are the answers. Yeah, Vimansa says it is checkmate. Yes, of course. And when someone is asking. Mattila asking why can we catch the king? No, we can't. We can actually surround it, right? We can surround the king, but we cannot capture it. It's a rule, right? Okay. So there are the other questions were actually suggestions how to stop it. Right. So now we had three ways to stop it. But if we could not stop the check, now for example, I will show you one. Let's say in this position, the king is somewhere at the end. Somewhere in a corner. Okay, this is just a position. I'm just showing this to you. In this one, the king is blocked in d8, right? King is kind of locked. Can you all hear me properly? Can you all hear me? Done, right? Because I don't, I had muted for a while. That's why I have muted you all for a while. That's why I'm asking whether can you hear me, right? Now the king is stuck in an edge. The king is stuck in an edge, right? And one white rook holds the 7th rank. So the king cannot at least enter, right? He cannot even come out, right? Now, if I want to block this, I need to get the control of the last row. As I now have the control of the 7th rank, I also want to get the control of the 8th rank. And for this, right? For this, if I move the rook to A8 here, if I move the rook to A8 square and now attack the king, king will again move back to the middle. See? මෙයාට අග්ගාල මැදට යනවා. දැන් මට ඕනේ 7 වෙනි පේලිය අල්ලගෙන මම ඉන්නේ. මට ඕනේ 8 වෙනි පේලියත් අල්ල ගන්න. හැබැයි මම දැන් රුක්ව දැම්මොත් then the king will come out. See? Now the king will come out. Now that will be a problem. So one thing, if you want to block the king or to checkmate, this is just an example, right? This is just an example. Don't think that all the all the games are going to finish in the same way. There will be millions of checkmates, right? May checkmates when the pulam vidiyawal godak tiyena. So you will meet lots and lots of checkmate patterns, right? Of your own. Some are familiar, some are new. You can also create some new checkmate patterns. අපිට අලුතෙන් ඒවා හදන්නත් පුළුවන්. හරි? So in this one, the idea is to block the king. So what I have one free piece. See, I have one free piece. I got the answers. But සමහරවල් මේ answers දාලා තිබ්බා. The queen comes up to the last row. Now it gives a king, it gives a check to the king, and king cannot stay in this entire line because of the queen. When the queen in the matter line came in the full line is under the queen's attack, right? The whole line is under the queen's attack. Now, if the king now tries to come out, it also can't come out because of the rook. That's also a rook, which blocks the 7th rank. Now we say this is checkmate. This is just an example for checkmate. This situation is called checkmate because king has no option to avoid the check. There is a check, but no way to capture it, no way to stop this. Earlier, there were a way to capture. There's no way to capture right now. No one to cover, nowhere to move, no place to move, right? Now this is totally surrounded. Where the king stays at right now, it's also under a check. And all the places it can move, are also under checks. So king has no place to stay. King has no place to stay. Either it has no place to go. Because of the rook, it can't come out. Because of the queen, it's stuck. So who's giving the final check? The last check is given with the queen, and the rook. Rook is supporting. Rook is helping the queen to keep the king blocked, right? Rook is helping. He's helping to keep him blocked, right? Without the rook, you can't do the mate, right? If the rook wasn't here, the king will run into middle, right? So the rook helps here, and queen now delivers the final check. So it's a checkmate, right? This is a checkmate. This is where this is one of the patterns that you can win a chess game. How do we win a game like this? By capturing all the pieces. You can capture all the pieces of your opponent. අපිට පුළුවන් අනික් ළමගේ ඔක්කොම pieces ටික capture කරලා ඊට පස්සේ මොනා කරන්නද? Kingව checkmate කරන්න නේ. එයාගේ ඔක්කොම pieces ටික capture කරලා kingව අල්ල ගන්න පුළුවන්. It's easy, right? But later we will learn. Sometimes there are ways that you can win without even capturing a piece. Single piece එකක්වත් කපන්න නැතුව දිනන්න පුළුවන් විදිහකුත් තියෙනවා. I will show you, I will show it to you today, some examples are there. There are many checkmate examples. We will see some of them. One second. Got a message. Right. Okay, Harindu was asking me to explain it once again. Very good, Harindu. Right. Now, if you are not clear with anything that I clarify, you can tell like that, right? I really like that quality. If you can't understand, even if you're not clear, you better, okay, put a message to me. I can see Jessica and Jenica also put a message. So Jessica is Jenica's sister, you say. That's true. That's that. Very good. Look at this now. This is a checkmate, right? This is a checkmate. In this position, black has only the king. One color has only the king. එක පාටකට king විතරක් ඉන්නවා නම් we say this king is a lonely king. What is it? Lonely king. Lonely king කියන්නේ කවුද? Because it's alone. No pieces. Lonely king. It's alone. යපව් නේද? යා තනියෙන් ඉන්නේ නේ. Lonely king කියන්නේ. හරිද? The lonely kings are easy to checkmate, easy to surround. The lonely kings are easy to surround. King is more powerful with this army. Army it will become more powerful, right? But powerful. But there's no army with him right now. There's no army, Hasali. What are you writing? There's no army right now. So, okay, you're done. And one thing, if you're writing a note about this checks thing, don't worry. Now, since we have created the WhatsApp group, I'll be able to send you some notes. I think it is very important. Most of children were asking sometimes, for a note and for some kind of set of summary about the සමහර ළමයිට පොඩි නේද අපේ චූටි බබලත් ඉන්නේ හින්දා අපිට පොඩ්ඩක් එක note එකක් දාගන්න පුළුවන්. So I'm going to send. So the parents can also refer that, right? ඒකට ඒකට පුළුවන් අපි අම්මලාට එක්කත් ඔන්න යාළු වෙලා ඒක බලන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. So I'm going to put a little note also, right, to the WhatsApp group. Right, after making the second group, let's see about that. Right. Okay, lonely king can be easily surrounded. Only now it's blocked. It's blocked. It can't come to the 7th rank. Why can't it come? I will unmute you for a while. Otherwise, you all are feeling bored, right? Can you come to the 7th rank, children? Can you come to this rank? I think I have unmuted you, right? You can't come to this because of the rook. Oh. Sorry, I didn't. Now, okay, I think now I have unmuted you. Oh, that's done. So the rook holds the 7th rank. I want to get the control of the 8th rank, right? Now I want to get the control of the 8th rank. But if I want to get the control of 8th rank, if I move the rook up here, it releases the control. See? Yes, Chatusha, Santusha.
Can't hear you.
Sir, I can't hear you. Can't hear clearly.
You're breaking up.
Okay.
Voices
I'm breaking.
I can't hear you.
Everyone.
I can't hear you
clearly.
I can't hear you clearly. I can't hear you
Okay.
very
Let's
clear.
try again. Okay. Let's eat again right now. How about now?
No, sir, still you are lagging. Not lagging, still breaking up.
All right. Wait a second.
Sir, I can hear you.
Now for sound.
Can't
Let's see right now. Okay.
hear you because
How about now?
very true.
Everyone just put off the camera. Let's see. Sometimes when you put the cameras off, the signals will get better. Put the cameras off. Let's see. Put off all the cameras. Put cameras off. Karan. Okay. Can you all hear me right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Sorry.
In the middle it's breaking. Sometimes when you
Alright.
speak in the middle it's breaking.
Sometimes, like let's see if I got broke again. Hari, mama I broke kunot kiyan. Hari dan balamu. Hari, for now it's okay ne dan hari ni. For now
Yes,
it's okay, right?
now,
For now.
Now it's okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's okay.
Let's check this again. Let's check this again. Okay, let's check this once more. Okay, in this position, we say there's only one color for the black. One king for the black. That is only the one piece, right? Only the last piece left is the king, and the king is the lonely king right now. This king is a lonely king because it's alone without any army, right? The king is alone without any army. If the king is alone without any army, we can easily defeat it, right? It's already it's in a edge of the board. It's stuck, right? It's stuck because of the king, because of the rook, right? Because of the white rook, the black king is stuck. යාට මෙතන එළියට එන්න විදියක් නැහැ. මේ white ගේ rook කෙනෙක් ඉන්න නිසා. නේ white ගේ rook කෙනෙක් ඉන්න නිසා යාට එන්න බෑ. දැන් අපිට ඕනේ මොකද්ද? 8 rank එක. මේ 8 වෙනි පේලිය තල්ල ගන්නයි අපිට ඕනේ. එතකොට king block කරගන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි අපි මේ විදියට 8 වෙනි පේලිය අල්ල ගන්න රුක්ව දැම්මොත් නේ to get the 8th rank control, if you put the rook to A, it will be a check, but the king will come down right now because you have released the 7th rank block. Block but what we can actually do right now, we have one free piece. The queen is free. She was having a rest. Apita puluang move this queen up to the last row and give an attack to the opponent's king with it, right? Okay, let's play the queen to G8 square. Now it's a check, right? But this time,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, say to me.
What can you do if you can't checkmate a king?
Well, there's no, there cannot be a way that we cannot checkmate. There are, after we have, if we captured all the pieces, we'll be able to checkmate, right? And yes, listen, listen everyone, right? We can't say that we won't be able to checkmate. We can checkmate, but this checkmate is going to change, right? The pattern we checkmate in each and every game are different, right? අපි එක එක game එකේදී checkmate කරන විදිහ එක එක වෙනස් වෙනවා. දැන් අපි මෙතන checkmate කරලා තියෙන විදිහට නෙමෙයි හැම එකක්ම checkmate කරන්නේ. We can't say the method of checkmate is going to be the same pattern. it might change from game to game, right? From game to game, it might change. Sometimes we can win the chess games at the beginning very quickly. Sometimes we have to play them for a long time till the end, and then only we can win. And some of the chess games we can win mid of the way, right? අපිට මැදි දිනන්නත් පුළුවන්. මුලින් දිනන්නත් පුළුවන්. සමහරට එන්ඩ් එකට වෙනකන් ගිහිලා දිනන්නත් පුළුවන්. It depends on the opponent that we are playing against, right? අපි play කරන ළමයාට හොඳට පුළුවන් නම් මේක ටිකක් අන්තිම වෙනකම් යනවා. හරි අපි මේ බලන්න එක pattern එකක් විතරයි. මට දැනට මොකද්ද පෙන්වන්නේ? I just want to show you what is a checkmate, right? This is now a checkmate. Now you all know if the king is fully surrounded, it cannot go anywhere and it has no way to stop the last check. This is checkmate. Make it checkmate කියලා. And if we see another example, okay, I'm going to show you a short example. Can you see the starting position right now? Can you all see a starting position? All right. Okay, put a thumb, right? Can you all see a starting position? Done. Okay. මේ තියෙන්නේ starting position එක. දැන් මම පෙන්වන්න හදන්නේ short checkmate එකක්. මම පෙන්වන්න හදන්නේ the shortest chess game, right? This is the shortest ever chess game actually. This is actually the shortest ever chess game can happen in chess, right? මේක තමයි chess game එකේදී වෙන්න පුළුවන් short maker. මේකට නමක් කියනවා fool's mate කියලා. You can see it from the name, right? Why? Because it is the shortest one. ඒකට කියනවා fool's mate කියලා. ඒ කියන්නේ අනික් ළමයා ඉතින් හරිම මෝඩ විදියට ඇද්දොත් තමයි මේකට අහුවෙන්නේ නේද? Right? Don't, it doesn't matter the name, but this is the shortest mate, the fool's mate. This will take only 2 moves to win. But remember, right, this will take only 2 moves for us to win the game. But remember, you won't be able to do this method, do this trick with the, good players, right? With the experienced players, right? With more experienced players, we cannot defeat using this fool's mate. But we can actually, defeat someone who's very new and very weak with this method, right? Can you hear me clearly? You all hear me right now? I think there's a little problem with the signals today, right? Sometimes. Can you hear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes your voice is
Sometimes you are breaking in, sir.
Sometimes I'm breaking.
Voice is
Okay.
I can hear you clearly.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, some are. All right. Some say that.
Sir, shall we start with the fool's mate now? I
Of
am so
course.
excited.
Yes. Okay, right. Now, who wanted to know this very quickly? Let's have a look. This time, let's say the white player is the weak player, and he's going to play the knight pawn to g4. This is a very bad move.
Excuse
Right.
me, sir.
Mhm.
Hi.
Yes, Jessica.
The white starts first.
Of course, the white starts first. Very good. Yes, the white starts first. So in this game also, white starts first. And the white moves his knight's pawn, right? The g pawn to g4. It's not the most appropriate start you can do. මේක ගොඩක් හොඳ start එකක් නෙවෙයි. මෙයා මේ g4 pawn එක දානවා. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙයා ගොඩක් හොඳ එක්කෙනෙක් වෙන්න විදිහක් නැහැ. And in one way, we can see the black, if the black is better player, right? Black plays the center pawn. Those who start with the center are the good players, right? Later we will learn how to start with the center and why, right? We පස්සේ ඉගෙන ගමු how do you start with the center and what is the reason, right? පස්සේ අපි බලමු මොකද්ද reason එක කියලා. I'm just going to show you a checkmate, right? And the other move, white plays his king's bishop's pawn to, which is in f2 to f4. Another very bad move, right? Now if you play both these moves, it makes the white king completely open from one diagonal, right? The white king is completely open from one diagonal, and all the squares around it are blocked with its own pieces. All the pieces around the king are blocked with his own pieces, but from one direction it's open. Prakita, are you listening? From one direction it's open. From one direction, from one diagonal it's open. අනිත් පැත්තෙන් යා block වෙලා ඉන්නවා යාගේ pieces වලින්. So black now takes the chance. Black ට බලනවා නියම chance එකක් තියෙනවා. Black can bring his queen to h4. This time he's giving a check to the white king. But this check cannot be stopped, right? This check cannot be stopped. What are the ways that we can stop a check? We see whether we have any piece to cut. Then white ball now, can I capture this? Can't cut because rook cannot jump over. Can't capture. Can you cover? Can you move the pawn backward? No, you can't move the pawn backward, right? And finally, if the king tries to move somewhere, there's no place that it can move. All the places that it can move are also stuck, right? So this is also stuck. Right now the king, 1 second, king cannot either make a capture, can't cover, it can't make a move, so king has no move to do, nothing to do, right? So now the king is blocked with a check. We say it's a checkmate. This is the mark for checkmate. Hash mark for checkmate. In some books, you will see in future. In chess, we put hash mark for checkmate, right? Checkmate symbol is hash mark. You can see this is the shortest mate. Why? Why do I say this is the shortest mate? White starts with a very bad move, opening up the king one side, and black also plays with the king pawn. And he opens up another gate to the king, right? The king's gates are all open, right? The king is completely open. Queen just comes to h4. Checkmate. This is the fool's mate, right? This is one of the easiest checkmates. There's another checkmate like this. There's one other checkmate like this. We see the 4 moves trick. We say it's the 4 moves trick. This is one of the easiest tricks that you can know. 4 moves trick, right? So I got 4 moves trick. We say the beginner's mate sometimes, but I'm not going to, I'm not encouraging you to play all these short games, right? Mama kiyanne naha lamaiinta me short games, short tricks හැම වෙලාවෙම කරන්න කියලා. Because if you are, if you practice to do all these short mates every time, what will happen? So when you when you start to play with a good player, you will still try to play these short methods. The මේ short games ඉගෙන ගත්තොත් සමහරවිට ළමයි කරන වැඩේ තමයි ඕනම කෙනෙක් එක්ක හැම වෙලාවෙම short methods දාන්න හදනවා. This is not going to work with good players. So with these short methods, you can only defeat beginners, right? But with beginners, they are going to work, right? I will just show it to you, right? Before I stop. So this time the white start with the king pawn, either both of the players starts off with the king pawn. This time bishop comes out to middle. Black also makes the same sort of move. Trick. The queen goes out to h5. Now you can see both bishop and queen are going to cut the pawn on f7, right? Which is this pawn is close to the king. Both the queen and bishop are trying to capture this. මේලා මොකද කරන්නේ? bishop මේ queen උයි දෙන්නම එකතු වෙලා මේ f7 වල pawn එක කපන්න හදනවා. And if black didn't see this and plays something like knight to f6 to attack the queen, what you need to do is to protect. අද අපි පස්සේ බලමු කොහොමද කරන්නේ කියලා. මේක protect කරන්නයි ඕනේ. But without protecting, move something else. Queen goes and captures the f7. Now it is close to the king, blocking all the squares around it. But if the king tries to capture queen, we would see like, you might have thought, why can't the king capture the queen? It cannot capture the queen because there is a piece to protect it, right? There is a bishop behind the queen to protect. We say this is the 4 moves checkmate method, right? This is one of the easiest checkmate. But I don't really want you to play all these short tricks with everyone you meet, right? මම කියන්නේ නෑ හැමෝම මේ easy tricks play කරන්න කියලා හැම ළමයෙක් එක්ක, right? And someone has put these emojis to the chat, so it is actually annoying. But even I cannot see the questions, right? Already question එකක් කිව්වත් මට පේන්නේ නැහැ මොනවද. Right? Okay. Doesn't matter. Now we know how to, there will be several checkmate patterns. I'll be doing some checkmate activities next week. I will do some checkmate activities, and you will have to answer my questions. I'm going to give you some checkmate activities just to check whether you know how to recognize the checkmate. අපි ලබන සතියේ පොඩි පොඩි checkmate activities ටිකක් කරමු අපිට checkmate එක හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් බලන්න. Now we all know how to give a check, how to stop a check, but if we couldn't stop the check, then it is going to be a checkmate. කියනවා checkmate එකක් කියලා. Next week එකේ අපි checkmate activities ටිකක් කරමු. Now Nimsara has asked whether can we castle from the queen. Nimsara, you can't castle the queen. You can't castle from the queen, but you can castle to the queen side.
Excuse
Yes.
me, sir.
The next game is tomorrow.
Not tomorrow. Nimsara, not tomorrow. Usually I repeat the same lesson on Thursday and Friday, right? I repeat the same lesson on Thursday and Friday. Next day means next week. Plan.
Excuse me, sir.
So yeah, if you want to get an explanation, better you come on tomorrow's class,
Me, sir.
right? So stop quitting drums, right? So you can also join the tomorrow's class. It will be a repetition of the same lesson. Yes, it is a repeat of the same lesson, Minuki. All right. Ari, header to puluwan join when on. Okay. Right. See you in the next week.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye. Good night.
Goodbye.